Hey guys, today I'm going to change out this shower head. The shower head is not sufficient for what we want. So I'm going to change this head out, put a new head in here, combo head with a hand shower, and it's going to make this shower a lot nicer and easier handheld shower too. A lot of benefits to handheld showers, easy to clean the shower. So I'm going to take this head off. I'm going to use a 15/16 open end wrench. And I'm going to take this top, take this off. These usually come off very easily. And this is the open end wrench to do this. And you can see this Teflon on here. Gotta take the Teflon off, clean this up a little bit, and we're gonna put new Teflon on there. Whenever you have this type of connection with this metal, if you have plastic to plastic, you don't need Teflon, but when you have metal, you're gonna have to put more on, put new Teflon when you have metal to metal. Even plastic to metal, you need Teflon. But plastic to plastic, you don't need it. And there's a little bit on there, but it's not going to affect what I'm doing. So there's no worries. And you're trying to just cover the area. Just once around, without going over the top. Just trying to cover the whole area. And that's it right there. That should be enough. Shouldn't need any more. And that should seal it so we don't have any leakage. I'm going to put this new head on. Start screwing that on. And most of these connections are all pretty common. This is a 7/8 connection, if I can find. Where are we? Maybe it's not. Me a moment. Yeah, this is too big. It's got to be 7/8. I'm just missing it there. Oh yeah, just had it. There it is. Okay. It's a tight spot. I can't get it off. How do you like that? Got it on, but I can't get it off. Great. Let's see. Okay, let's take it back off. Let's see what's going on here. Nothing's already easy, right? Always gotta be complicated. I'm just gonna disconnect this head. Let's see what's happening here. Well, that was tough. I had to go and get a screwdriver so I could wedge that off. It was not cooperating. So, don't use an open end wrench. That was the lesson. And now I have to replace this. I'm just going to put another layer over that because otherwise it's going to leak. Okay. All right, Teflon's on. Let's try this again. All right, there we go. All right, now I'm going to tighten that up. I brought an adjustable wrench this time so I don't run into this problem that I just ran into. This is going to tighten this up a little bit, not a lot. There we go. Non-cooperative. That's what I got here. Okay. And then I'm just going to tighten this up. Okay. All right, there we go. Okay. Next, I'm going to connect the hose. I'm going to put the rubber washer in there. And this again is, you don't need any Teflon on this because it's plastic and you have a just have a plastic with a rubber washer, so you should have no issues. Same thing on this side. I'm putting that little black washer that's in there. I'm going to tighten this up here. Tighten this up. You hand tighten this. You don't need to get crazy with lock jaws or anything. That's nice. Okay. And I guess we're ready to test this now. That's all that's required. So you can change your head very easily and put a new head in. It doesn't take a lot. Any homeowner can do this. Pretty easy job. And let's zoom out. Let's turn on the water. Let's check it out. Okay. There it is. That shuts that off. That turns that on. Okay. You can have both running if you want. It's a nice head. One, you get a lot more water pressure. Two, and then you shut it off also. So then you have different modes. There you go. So it's massage mode. Yeah. And it's magnetic, which I like. Magnetic is nice, right? Pretty easy to deal with. No clipping. You can shut that off. Wow, that's nice. I like that. Alright. Let's turn that up. Alright. Alright, that's the installation of a new head. Thanks for watching. Share my videos. Hit the bell if you'd like to see some more. Subscribe. Love to have some subscriptions. And look forward to my next video. Ask me a question, I'll give you an answer. Thanks for watching.